Oh, another T Henri review. I know you're all so sad about this, just like I am. Today we're going to talk about one of the T Henri pairs, actually one of their older pairs, the T Henri Phantom. I'm bringing this one out because it's super classic. There's still a few pieces left in the collection. Hopefully you grab one before they're gone. If they're not, sorry, but there are still a few colorways left out there. Let's dive into it, take a closer look at this one, and see if it's worth grabbing to your collection. Yes, it is. So for starters, the one I'm wearing is the most vibrant of the collection. It is the ivory colorway with a really cool double gradient lens, which I'll get you some better pictures of it. But we have a nice soft green up here, about a category 2, to a very soft yellow down at the bottom. Really cool looking lens that's really easy to wear indoors, outdoors. Still gives you a little bit of darkness while still giving a little bit of color pop. More of a fashion lens here for sure. Definitely a cool looking frame. So this is their Phantom, which when you think of a Rolls-Royce Phantom, you just have that kind of a classic impression in your head. You know, all of the Phantoms across all of the years have kind of this same look, right? It gets a little bit more modern. They make small tweaks and revisions to the shape and the design of it, and that just kind of flows as time goes on. Super timeless. They're all beautiful cars. And that's exactly what you've got here. This is based off of kind of that Wayfarer, Saratoga type shape where it's just a little bit softer, easy to wear, very timeless, really sharp, clean lines on this one in particular. He's made some tweaks to it that I really like, which is it's a little bit thinner down through this section and across up here, so it doesn't have as huge of a thick horn to the outer edges. A little bit cleaner lines, a little bit more modern. Just what you'd expect in a revision from Rolls-Royce themselves, right? So all of the T Henri pieces have kind of this exotic supercar inspiration. And I think this one does really well pulling from the lines and the thought process of designing a Phantom. Super clean, nothing crazy, and just kind of continues on in the direction it has always gone. Whether we'll see revisions of this, I don't know. I know it's about 40 to 50 pieces of each colorway. I think a few of them get up into the mid 50s, more in the 60 range. We'll see if more colorways come of it in the future. So we've got this as the ivory. We also have the blue azurite, I believe it was. Or was it river in this one? I'll have to check. But then you've got the octane, which is more your traditional black. What's really nice on these though, there's not a whole lot going on with them. It's just really those nice clean lines. You've got your one little detail over here, which has their T Henri logo on it. As with all of these, very nicely made in Japan. So you do have a little bit of beveling here. So you can see as the light comes across there, you've just got a nice little soft reflection throughout. Nothing too crazy, really a clean piece, and just easy wear for a really nice range of use in a different set of situations, right? The other lenses might have some darker, or the other colorways might have some darker lenses. This one, a little bit more fashion friendly just because it's a little bit lighter, and it definitely has aces of attitude all throughout. Great one to add to the collection, but just kind of a general easy wear pair. I don't have too much more to say just because it's so darn awesome to begin with. There's not a whole lot to comment on. Overall fit and feels great. We do have these groove and friction bits at the back, which really help with the bite without it being anything too crazy. Nice balance to the frame. It's not super front heavy, super back heavy, which is always nice to see. And it's just a darn good looking frame, which at the end of the day is what really matters, right? If you're interested in these, I have a few of the colorways on hand. I'll link those down below. Otherwise, good luck grabbing a set before they're gone. And yeah, let me know what you think of these. Is it the perfect Wayfarer? Yeah, it's hard to even compare these to a Wayfarer. It's so much better. Let me know your thoughts. I'll catch you guys next time.